All right, well, let's just jump into another one and see how I do. Was there anything I need to look at now that I may have earned some points or something?
What you want to do is go click on modules, and it will show you what things you can purchase to increase your ship effectiveness.
Yeah, you should have a
Modules
hull.
top center next to port. There you go.
Always gonna
Yeah.
get the hull first.
Yeah. And you'll
Okay,
see how
so
many
the
points you
Erie
have.
is going to cost me 130. Okay, ship experience points is going to cost me. I have 359 right now.
Yes.
And is that research instant?
Well, when you click it, it'll ask you to spend the experience on it, and then it will ask you, do you also want to pay for and equip it? And you do that using credits.
Okay, that's. I don't know how to see where I have that now that it's on this blurry mode.
Top right corner.
But I'm in a
shows you
blurry
credits.
mode. It doesn't really show me that at the
You
moment.
have plenty. Right now, because it's beta, everything is acquired super fast.
Now I can see I have 8,000. And that was 600. Okay, so go ahead and get my main battery gun as well. Those are the two things I can get.
Yeah, if you can get both, go ahead and get both.
Because sometimes that upgrade will give you more guns, or it'll make your guns more powerful, or both.
Yep.
Or it's always a good thing. There's never really a reason to use worse.
What does the St. Louis at the beginning? Isn't it like 4 guns on the side or something like that?
Yeah,
And then you
it's
get
like
the upgrade 8 on each side. Yeah, I kind of really like that ship.
so here when you click on the one below it, it's showing you here's how much more experience you need to get the next ship. Keep in mind that only experience from the prior ship can be applied to it. So you can't use one ship to get experience for one in another tree or one further down the line. You have to get experience for the next thing in line.
Oh, okay. So this ship's experience. Okay, so that ship experience only applies for the Erie, and I can use Erie's experience for Erie and for Chester too. Yeah, for the Chester, I guess. But not.
That's right.
But I can't use it for the St. Louis.
No, you would need to play the Chester to get experience for the St. Louis.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a progressive tier.
Interesting. Okay. All right.
Same thing with the upgrades. You have to play the ship to earn its upgrades.
Okay, so when you're
Obviously,
saying I can
we
only use the Erie's experience to buy that next ship, but I can't use it to upgrade that ship. I have to actually. I'll start off with a basic. I've already forgotten what the next one is. Whatever, Chester. So I'll start with a basic Chester, and no, if I have a whole bunch of points in Erie, it doesn't matter.
Right.
Correct.
Okay,
It doesn't look like there's much more I can upgrade on. Like that was basically the maximum I could do with this particular ship, right? Those
Yeah,
two
tier
things.
1 ships are very limited on the stuff. The higher up you go, you'll get more stuff to invest into.
Okay, this is different. We don't have ABC. Is this a capture the flag sort of thing?
Yes, you defend yours and try to capture theirs.
Okay.
Man, you
Okay,
guys
I
are way
actually
over
just
there
noticed
again.
where the compass thing is and how that actually works. So I have speeds at quarter, half, three-quarter, full. Okay.
And it does take time for the ship to accelerate and decelerate. The bigger the ship, the longer it takes.
And I just noticed the autopilot. If I use M, I can click on the map and
Yep. If you ship
Actually, just
click
plot
on-
a course.
it just goes there. Yep. So my ship is going to turn that way automatically, or
Yep, it'll follow whatever line you set for it up to 5 times.
okay.
That's usually what you do with the carrier. You set it on a course and then you start micromanaging your planes and stuff.
Okay, I'm holding V and it's not doing anything, but right click does change my view to basically full out. So if I'm zoomed all the way in, I can look out real quick with right click. Like, oh, okay, let's look around.
Hey, your nemesis is over here, Matrix. I just hit him. I hope he doesn't fire back.
Yeah, they took me a while to get over there.
Oh, crap, he fired. Oh, thank God he missed. Holy crap, everybody's firing at me. Oh, I really like the soaring sounds they added. Turn, you piece of shit, turn!
Is this one already sunk and I'm not realizing it? Yeah, it is, totally. Alright. Shit!
Oh, crap. They're all over here.
Yeah, they completely went the opposite direction except for one of them. I'm trying to come up behind him right now.
I can get this one that's over here. I kind of heading that way already. There's the Corvette. Corvette.
One thing about the battleships is that reload time.
Yeah, he's gonna kill me though. I'm pretty dead. Oh, got him. Thank God.
I'm still turning and should not be. I'm gonna crash or something. I don't know.
Well, it takes time once you turn the turn off for it to straighten out. A little bit of time.
I'm basically gonna crash into this.
Then just back off of it. I'm down.
No, maybe I can stop in time. I'm not sure. Yep, I stopped in time, basically, barely.
Got a ship behind you could be firing at while you're back.
That's what I'm trying to do. But I'm okay. Now my guns are finally aimed on it. But I kept turning around and it would re-aim my guns. Anyways, learning.
Yeah, when you get up to the bigger ships there, it's gone. Trouble averted. Now you might want to hang a hard right and floor it forward and try to get turned around to head over there. All the other ships are on the other side. But yeah, later on when you get to the bigger ships, the guns are really freaking slow to turn, so you kind of want them lined up before you even get there. Yeah, you might want to wrap around that island to your right. I don't think you'll make that turn.
I'm wrapping around. Do I have to hold R to do my repair or what?
No, just hit it. But nothing's on fire right now, so...
Okay, he's probably telling me something before.
Yeah, the fires will eventually get put out. Whenever you see damage on your ship, guns, fire, water, flooding, and all that, you'll see a little red circle right next to it. And that's your time that it'll automatically repair if you don't want to use your repair right off the bat.
Out of my range.
This guy must be flooding and not be able to repair. He's beaching himself.
The guy next to us,
Yeah.
right here next to me.
Yeah, he was pulling out. If you're flooding and your repair's on cooldown, you can beach yourself to keep from sinking. I actually had to do that in my Miyagi. You might as well not shoot. Mountains in the way.
But I want to.
Wow.
He must have citadeled me or something.
Yeah.
You just went down?
Yeah, I just got taken out. That was, like I said, he must have. I didn't even see him fire a shot. I didn't see his shots incoming, but I must have gotten citadeled. That's the only way I can explain it. I was just about ready to light him up again, too.
Switch to AP.
You talking to Scar?
Yeah.
I'll
That's
say
a
I-
tier 3 heavy or battleship. They all need to switch to AP. HE's not going to do much to that monster.
Because I was at like over a quarter health, and he just took me to 0.
There we go. There's some damage. And he's on fire. Nice. Yeah, I seen you. I was actually following you when you went down.
Did you see his shots hit me?
No, I looked away for a second. And the next thing I know, you're sinking. Like, ah, shit. I looked to see where the other guys were. Why is that guy... That guy's been hiding the whole time. The one over there. I thought he was going over there to cap, but he's not. You guys got this. You're taking him down now.
Very
There we
nice.
go. Man, they all went to that side. They
It's
were all following.
more
the
Scarbot that's flooding the chat, but ships. No, I think I got all that. So Z on off to follow your fired shots. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that'll
like
actually follow my.
like a
my camera
right
will-
on your
will-
shell.
Yeah. Okay. Random battles, 2 team player, 2 teams of players. Okay, that unlocked that. Credit bonus.
Oh,
Okay.
probably profile. You probably got level 1
Yeah, I guess I know a level 2.
or level 2. Yeah.
Research cost is 1,400. Now, if I wanted to buy that, I don't even see how I would go about that. I mean, obviously, I need much more. Where would I purchase it? Yeah, how would I purchase that? In the tech tree or here in the
Tree,
modules?
Yeah, you go to the tech tree, and then you would click on the Chester, and then it would take you back to your port, and then have a purchase up in the, or purchase for the experience points, and then purchase for the credits. Kind of like buying it twice.
Okay, I see its research point cost. Where's this
Yeah.
credit cost? You don't
See
get
where
to
it
see
says
that.
required? That means you need to earn that much more before you can purchase it.
Right, that's experience points. But
Yeah,
what's
you'll
its
easily
credit
have
cost?
enough credits.
You don't, but you don't get to know the credit cost until you put in the research.
Right.
Credit cost is 15. If you mouse over it, it says right on it. Or not fit. Yeah, 15. I was actually looking at the Japanese one at that time, but yeah, it's.
You mean in the
15K.
tech tree, right?
Yeah, in the tech tree, if you mouse over it, it says purchase price 15K.
Okay, yep, there you go. Okay. So there's basically nothing I can do to upgrade this. Just keep playing it until I
Correct.
have 1,400. Keep playing the shit out of this ship.
To battle!